In this video, we will configure Entra Hybrid Join in your organization. Some of the devices that are connected to on-prem Active Directory, they can only access the on-prem services, but they want to access the cloud services. For that, they need to configure Entra Hybrid Join. In my current scenario, we have a Windows 11 that is joined to on-prem domain controller. When we configure hybrid domain join, it will be moved to the Entra ID. As currently you see that there is a zero device that is connected to Entra ID. Before moving forward, we need to confirm that the Entra Connect has been configured, and we will reconfigure it from our on-prem server. So first of all, I will show you the status. Select Entra Connect, connect sync. As you can see that the last things that is 1 hour ago. Now we will move towards the on-prem server where Entra AD need to be reconfigured. So before reconfiguring, we need to do one thing, that is we will create an OU and sync that OU to the Entra ID. We will open Active Directory users and computer. By default, the computer that is joined to the AD that move towards the computer OU. For hybrid join, we will create a separate OU, and we will sync that OU to the Entra. So what we will name it hybrid devices. Select OK. We will move the computer that is joined to domain to the hybrid OU. That devices that you need to sync to the Entra ID, that should be in the hybrid OU, and we will sync the same OU. Now close the Active Directory user and computer, and we will move and reconfigure the Microsoft Entra Connect. Double click. Microsoft Connect sync has been opened. Select configure. We need to select configure device option. Next, here we will enter the Entra ID as it's already been there. Type the credential. Type the password. Code has been successfully accepted. Configure hybrid Microsoft Entra ID Join. Select the same and click next. Select a Windows 10 or later domain join devices. Click next. We have a Windows 11 in our case. Uh, Select the IT champions, that is our domain. Drop down and select Microsoft Entra ID and select add. In the enterprise credential, type your uh, on-premises domain administrator ID. Select OK. SCP is ready to configure. We will select configure. It's configuring. Configuration has been successfully completed. We will select exit and double click again. Azure AD Connect. Now we will select the OU that which we want to sync it to the Entra ID, that is hybrid device. Configure. Select customize synchronization options. Click next. Click next with the same email address. Enter the password. Sign in. Enter the code. As the directory has already been added, we'll select next. And select sync selected domain and OUs. Expand the ID IT champions. Make sure that the hybrid devices is selected and do not make any changes. Click next. In the optional features, select next. Select start the synchronization and click configure. It is configuring. Configuration has been successfully done. Now I will show you either the user has been synced to Entra ID or not. So for that we will open the entra.microsoft.com. As you can see that one device has been synced successfully. Open the device, all devices. As you can see that Windows 11 client has been synced. Now the last thing that which we need to verify, that is from Windows 11. So right click this start button, select terminal, type dsregcmd status. As you can see that the window 11 is Azure AD joined and as well as its domain joined, on-prem domain joined. It means it's a hybrid